So can anyone be trained to become a coach? So there's a lot of skill sets you can learn, you can acquire to become a coach. I think it's important we first distinguish between the mentor and the coach. What's the difference? Just to refresh. So the mentor, we keep talking about mentors. There's someone who's been walking your shoes before you, someone who's definitely got success under his belt or her belt. So it's something you can learn from, you can draw from that person's business or technical experience and bring that into your own journey. Now, in the other side, we're talking about coaches. So what's a coach? Now, a coach is not necessarily someone who has walked your shoes before you. A coach, in our opinion, represents a different role. It's a person that has responsibilities to challenge you in all aspects of your business. Also an aspect that they don't personally tried before you. They have been trained to ask the challenging questions that make you start thinking about if you're doing the right things or doing the things right. Now, there's another aspect to coaching. That's the motivational part. We all know from experience, and we certainly see it in many clients, that motivation goes up and down during the whole journey. We face a lot of excitement and amazing days, and we all struggle also. Suddenly something happened that we couldn't expect, we couldn't anticipate that and see that coming. That can challenge our morale, our motivation. We definitely all need someone to inspire us and motivate us. Now, the best teams we see have someone in the team, hopefully everyone in the team, who's got that skill set, who's got that mindset that before we solve the problem, I gotta bring you guys with me back to the surface so we can start to see things clearly again. Step back, and then we start motivating each other, inspiring each other. When we get to that mental state, then we are ready to start solving the problems. So to answer your question, there's a lot you can learn as a coach. To become a coach, you can learn to ask those challenging questions that helps you to think and rethink what you're trying to do. That can be learned definitely. The frameworks, the tool sets, the way of working to get you to the state where you need to go, a lot of that can be learned.